Tired of blurry logos and pixelated graphics when you try to resize them? Let's turn those pesky PNGs into scalable vectors in Photoshop. First, open your PNG image in Photoshop. Go to File, then Open, and select your image. Next, we'll use Image Trace. Go to Window, then locate and click on Image Trace to open the Image Trace panel. In the Image Trace panel, set the mode to black and white for simple graphics. Adjust the threshold slider to control the level of detail traced. Experiment with the slider until you get a clean outline of your image. Once you're happy with the preview, click the Expand button located at the top of the screen. This converts the traced image into vector paths. Now you'll see the vector paths outlining your image. You can zoom in closely to see how crisp and clean the lines are. Select the Direct Selection tool, which looks like a white arrow. This allows you to select and edit individual paths and anchor points. With the Direct Selection tool, you can refine the vector paths, delete unwanted elements, or adjust the shape as needed for more complex images. This manual editing is key. Finally, to save your vector image, go to File, then Save As, and choose Adobe Illustrator as the format. This ensures your image remains a vector and can be scaled infinitely. And there you have it, a PNG image converted to a scalable vector in Photoshop, ready for any project. Now you can resize your logos and graphics without losing any quality. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.